So I'm going to show you different ways that you can monitor assignments on Canvas. This first one is you can look at this to-do list, however it includes everything from all your classes, so it can get to be a bit much. I personally like to click into my class, and then you still have a to-do list over here. It's just more specific, and it goes in order of due date, so you know what to do. And then what you can also do is you can look at the week and you can click through. Another thing you can do is if you go to grades, you can monitor more about how you're doing, what's expected. A lot of them you actually have to click into the page to know what is. But this gives you a brief day and the time and then how many points it's worth. And that gives you other things, so like I know when things are being graded, it will give you a little thing here that tells you it hasn't been graded yet. Or if you only completed partial, it will tell you. And so it's really nice. And you can do that to know what's due.